We are all growing up in a new age where everyone makes you feel like you're missing out on something, that you're just like you don't have a lot of time. And it's true for all of us. We don't technically have a lot of time, but at the end of the day, there's no reason to panic. This video is about people that mostly want to get into making money online, because that's a thing nowadays, and I totally get it. And that's what I'm doing too, and it's honestly like life-changing. It is. But I've noticed some things that are disturbing over the last few years. So mostly males, but some females too. There's a lot of influencers and role models out there that make you feel like that you just, if you're not doing anything to change your life or start making money online or starting an online business, they make you feel like shit because you're just the guy that flips burgers or anything. Now, no shame to anyone who does that. Someone has to do it. But all these people get you in a state of panic because you have hesitations about starting, or if you have started but don't see results in whatever you're doing. You feel they're seeing results, but I'm not seeing results, and other people I know or who I have met are getting results with this type of business or this type of thing, and I'm not getting any. I want to tell you that sit with yourself for 10 minutes and look at yourself in the mirror and ask yourself how old am I? Okay, so you say your age, and just really think about it. Are you actually behind in life? You are comparing yourself to the wrong type of people. You're comparing yourself to people like Tate, for example, Andrew Tate. I have compared myself with him a million fucking times because he was the person that, I don't know, she got me into this online business thing, right? He has gotten most people into the online business in the last 3 or 4 years, and that's okay. But ask yourself, am I actually missing out on something? There's so many people that want to get into online business space just for the sake of getting into it, when in reality, Messi, hello, come on, sorry, my dog. When in reality, you're not in a rush. You might be in a fucking horrible financial situation, and that's okay. I was too, but there's no reason to rush anything. Take your time, start without thinking about it, but don't obsess over the fact that you're not making any money or that you're not seeing the results fast, because this is logical. It's gonna happen. It is inevitable. The thing is that you have to adapt a certain type of mindset, and there's only two things I want to talk about today mostly. One is to stop comparing yourself. I'm in a business of copywriting, so I'm a marketer actually. I'm not just doing copywriting, but copywriting is how I started. And there's so many people that flex the results, that do this, that do that, and it's very easy to compare yourself with them and say oh, this guy closed a 10k deal and I closed only a 1k deal, or I didn't close anything, and oh, he's better than me, oh, I'm horrible, I'm not doing what I need to do, and all that shit. Now, this happens in any type of business model, but my only experience has ever been with copywriting and marketing, so that's why I talk about it. And comparing yourself is literally you shooting yourself in the foot, basically. You don't gain anything from it. You're just delaying the process of you actually having any kind of success with what you're doing. You walk your own path, and every person walks their own path individually. It doesn't matter what anyone else has done. It doesn't matter what you have done to anyone else. Everyone walks their path. That's the That's a good selling point too, because like when people see testimonials or case studies from people, like they compare themselves to them and like, oh, if that guy like made this amount of money in like this little time, I can do it too. Well, yeah, you can make, well, fuck my Sorry, I had to cut it there. But yeah, you just need to trust yourself, and obviously, like, I'm not saying to just say to yourself like, "Oh, we'll be good," and you don't do anything about it. Like, obviously, do the work, like more work than necessary, and just don't think about it, and it will come like eventually. Like it's I've noticed this, like the universe, like, or God, like whatever what anyone believes in, like it rewards you for trusting yourself, putting faith into God, universe, or like circumstances that are outside of your control, and not comparing yourself. And it rewards you. It rewards you. Like, it's true. Like, I know a ton of people that can agree with me, And I know a heck ton more people that want to agree with me, and those people are the ones that are not like anywhere near where they want to be, because they don't believe in themselves. So if you want to take anything away from this video, if anyone has watched this far, is that trust yourself. Don't compare yourself to anyone. Like, realize this, like, whether that's like your girlfriend, your boyfriend, like your best friend, someone that you just hate, or someone that you love, or anyone. Don't compare yourself to them, because that's just gonna fucking kill you. And